Riri fururi ugumirwo ni homa ya coronavirus arigitani mari muharini wa mbere gutigirira ni mahonokia mioyo ya andu aingi otauria kwahoteka. Indi marigetari makoretwo magicakaya kwa ihinda iraya riu makiuga amwe ao matikoretwo makirumbuiyo na njira iria yagiriire.
Saizi hawana hata hela ya kulipa nauli ya kwenda kazini, hawana hata hela ya kulipa kodi, hawana hata hela ya kufanya mahitaji ya familia.
Omothe Kiama KMPDU nikihithuritie kuri na county ngurani icerithiirie mishara ya arigitani kuma mweri wa gatano na kuria maugite thirikari cia county ni ikoretwo ikimauna moko ona mari na wendi wa gutungatira andu.
Doctors and other healthcare workers have been working extremely hard and diligently to serve Kenyans, both who've presented to facilities as COVID-19 patients, suspect patients, and even those suffering from common ailments that we normally deal with in the facilities.
Maugete angekorwo county icio itigokorwo irihite arigitani gukinyithia tariki 5 mweri tukite matigokorwo na undu ungi tiga kurugamia motungata mothe ma thibitari county-ini icio.
So let everyone play their part. We have played our part, and today we put on notice counties that have not paid salaries for the month of May, and other counties, now that the year is coming to an end, the financial year is coming to an end, and we note that the counties of Trans Nzoia, Mombasa, Tharaka Nithi, Meru and Nandi are yet to pay doctors and healthcare workers salaries for the month of May.
Nigeni mathigatithitie na kinyi kumbu gwa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri iria rirumbuanagia na maundu mothe megemaine na motungata ma urigitani.
And it is our time to be given that commission, and that is the minimum we can take. We don't want to hear about a council. We don't want to hear about fake bodies which don't have the powers to resolve the issues that have been affecting the healthcare workers in this country.
Kiama giki kiugete county iria ciekiranire ngirimiti nao mwaka-ini wa 2017 ithingatithie kiraniro kiao kwaga uguo makinyukia ikinya ria guthie igoti-ini.
We have had enough of cat and mouse games between KMPDU branch officials and county government officials and county public service boards in other counties where you do not even have existent county public service boards, to ensure that all healthcare matters and HRH issues are handled. That document is not just a piece of paper. It affects the livelihoods of healthcare workers who have been serving this country and Kenyans with a lot of diligence.
Ona gukiri uguo kiama giki ni kiuritie a Kenya mathie na mbere na guthingatithia utheru na mawatho maria magathikitwo. Gerifo tera Kameme TV, jetagwo Muringi wa Ngure.